So in the last class, we started about merge queries. Let's continue from there. And we seen when you perform inner jury in cross join, when you perform cross join, what output you will get we discussed. And we perform inner join, what output we will get we discussed, guys. We discussed about inner join and cross join. And someone please tell me, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. The next one is when you perform inner join, you'll get only matching records, guys. Take an example. When you take these two tables as the source, and when you perform inner join, you got only matching records. Totally 4 employees are working in my company. 4 employees are working in my company. When 4 employees are working in my company, but inner join is showing, when you perform inner join there, it is showing only 3 employees data in the output. Look at this. So Sunil is working. Yes, you are showing Sunil. Sunil have a department, matching department, and you show department name and location as sales in Hyderabad. And Sri is there. Sri have a matching department there, and you are showing Sri details also, HR and Bangalore. And Siva is there. Siva also having a matching department, and you are showing Siva is working in sales in Hyderabad. And there is one more employee, Ram is there, but you are not showing the Ram. He's the employee who is working in our company, but when you perform inner join, as it is going to give the matching records, you are missing Ram record here. You're missing Ram record here. If you want to get the Ram record also, what I need to do? So you want to perform left outer join, guys. So Ram is an employee. You want to show him. So, but unfortunately, Ram doesn't have a matching department here. So you still want to show Ram, and all the details about Ram you need to show here, and then you need to show here as null values. As he don't have department name and location, you need to show the null values. But you are not supposed to skip this one, right? So when you want to do like this, when you want to show an output like this, we need to perform left outer join, guys. In the real time, when you go and join the tables, greater than 90% of the time, we'll use the join type called left outer join only, guys. Important one, the join type which we mostly used is left outer join. So let's talk about left outer join. Left outer join. So what left outer join will give is, left outer join will give matching records. Matching records are nothing but inner join output. Inner join output. It will give matching records, inner join output, plus non-matching records also. Along with the inner join output, it will even give non-matching records from left side table. Non-matching records from matching records from left side table. So left outer join will give the matching records, nothing but inner join output. So it will not only give matching records, it will even give the non-matching records from left side table. Let's take like this. So I'll take same 2 tables. This time I don't perform inner join. I'll perform left outer join, guys. The syntax is same. There is no difference in the SQL syntax. The syntax is pin to pin same. What are the columns I want from EMP table? What are the columns I need from DEPT table? So, and EMP join type will change. When you keep inner join between these 2 tables, it will give matching records only. Inner join will give matching records only. This time I don't want only matching records. I want even non-matching records from left side table. Even in the left side table is this, nothing but this, guys. So before the join type, which table is in the left side? That is left side table. After the join type, which table is in the right side? That is right side table. Right side a table. So here I want even non-matching records from left side table also. When you even want non-matching records from left side table, what is the join you need to perform? Left outer join. So you just need to go and change the join type from inner join to left outer join. Left outer join DEPT. On join condition is same. Only in the place of inner you will see left outer. Left outer. Except that syntax is pin to pin same. And when you run the syntax, what it will give is, it will give matching records. Matching records means these 3 records, guys. Inner join output. So it will not only give matching records from both the tables, it will even now, once after the matching records, now it will go to the left side table now. What is the left side table here? I said that before this join type, what table you have in the left side, that is left side table. Before this join type, what table you have in the right side, that is nothing but right side table. It will go to the left side table, that is nothing but the employee table. In the employee table, it will give the non-matching record. What is the non-matching record in employee table? Sunil is a matching record. You have a matching entry. And Sri is a matching record. We have a matching entry. And Shiva is a matching record. We have a matching entry. But Ram is a non-matching record. He doesn't have any matching departments available here. So you will even get this record at the end. You will have 1004 and Ram and 4000 is the salary, 50 is the department number, and you will get here what? Null values. Why you are getting null values? I don't have 50 department in the DEPT table. That is the reason it is not showing the name and location here. Right. This is left outer join, guys. Whenever you need an output like this, you need to perform left outer join. In this output, first 3 records are matching records, and 4th record is non-matching record from left side table. Non-matching record from left side table. Right. The next one is right outer join, guys. Once after the left outer join, the next one is right outer join. Right outer join. So what right outer join will give is same. Right outer join will give matching records, nothing but inner join output. This time it will give non-matching records, not from the left side table. This time what? Right side table. Non-matching records from right side table. Right outer join will give matching records from both the tables or non-matching records from right side table. Right side table. So now between same 2 tables, I want to perform right outer join. I want matching records from both the tables and non-matching record from right side table. For that, the join, the select statement is same. There is no difference. Only the difference you will find where? In the place of left, you will find right. So in the place of left, you just need to write up. So right. So this will give matching records. First 3 records are matching records. You'll get as it is. You'll get as it is. And this time, once after giving the matching records, left outer join will give non-matching records from right side table. This time it will go to right side table. After the join type, what is the right side table I have? Department. In the department table, it will give non-matching records. Department, first row have matching employees. Second row have matching employees. What is the non-matching record you have here? This one. You'll get this. So all the columns which are taken from EMP table, all the columns which are taken from EMP table, you'll get null values. Null values. I don't have any employee who belongs to finance department and Pune location. Whatever the columns you are taking from EMP table, you'll get null values. And what are the columns you are taking from DEPT table, you'll get that corresponding values for non-matching record. You'll have finance here. You'll have finance and Pune. So why it is not giving this 30th department number? Someone tell me. So why it is not showing 30th department here? Why it is showing null value? If you want to get 30 here, what I need to do? To this select statement, if I want to get 30 here, what changes I need to do here? I want to get 30 here instead of null. What is the change I need to do?
Number, department number should be here. Employee department number you have given also. After e-name salary, there we need to give department number.
Right. You need to give department
number.
Right. Correct. So what I need to do is here, if you want to show So in which table you are taking the column, that it will bring. Employee number I am taking EMP table, e-name column I am taking from EMP table, salary column I am taking from EMP table, even department number also I am taking from EMP table only. That is the reason you are getting null. Instead of having EMP dot department number, when I write DEPT dot department number, in the place of null you will get what this time? In the place of null you will get 30. You can write it however you want. You can modify your query, guess, right? So this is a right outer join, guys. Right outer join will give matching records from both the tables and non-matching record from right side table. If there is any non-matching records, you'll get it. So for non-matching record from right side table, left side columns will be null. Left side table columns will be null. Left side table columns will be null. Same way in the left outer join also, what it is giving matching records from both the tables or non-matching record from left side table. From the left side table, you will have the values. When you take any columns from the right side table, you will find null values there. You'll find null values. The next one is full outer join, guys. Full outer join. Full outer join. Full outer join will provide matching records from both the tables. Full outer join will provide matching records inner join output plus non-matching records from left side table plus non-matching records from right side table. It will even give non-matching records from left side table and it will even give non-matching records from right side table also. Full outer join will give matching records, nothing but inner join output plus non-matching records from left side table as well as non-matching records from right side table. So full outer join will give all the three, guys. Full outer join will give all the three, right? So between these same two tables, I want to perform full outer join. To perform full outer join, the database syntax is same. What you will see, where you will see the change? I can see the change only in the place of outer. Right outer you have, right? Here you will get full outer join. Full outer join. So I said that full outer join will give matching records. These three records are matching records. Along with the three records, we'll get non-matching records next. Once after matching records, it will go to the left side table. What is the left side table here? To this, what table you have in the left side, it is left side table. To this, what table you have in the right side, it is right side table. It will go to the MP table. It will give non-matching record from left side table, guys. So first, this is the non-matching record. So from EMP table, I am taking only these three columns, guys. So you are taking DEPT dot department number so that it will get null value here. It will get null value. As you are taking DEPT from department, so you will get null value. And here all the columns which you are taking for non-matching record in the left side table, only next left side table columns you will get it. What columns you are taking from left side table, that values you will get. What columns you are taking from right side table, you will find what? Null values there. You will find null values there. Null values there. So instead of showing a null value here, if you want to show 50 here, what you need to change? You need to change this DEPT dot department number to EMP dot department number. EMP dot department number. When you change it, you will get what here? 50. Now you want even non-matching records from right side table now. So what is the non-matching record from right side table? This one. So you will get all the null values here. Null values. Left side table, from left side table, what are the columns you are taking? You'll get null values, and here you'll get finance, and you'll get Pune here. Pune here. Right, this is what full outer join is. Full outer join will give matching records and non-matching records from left side and right side table. Right. So far, we've seen about cross join, inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. We'll talk about self join in few couple of minutes. So let's ask some question here. I'll give one question to you. Just try to answer this question. So I'll give some two tables and I'll ask you when you perform cross join between the two tables, how many records you will get. So let me write some two tables here. Sample tables, table 1, and table 1 contains column 1 and column 1 contains some data like this. So table 1, let's bring it somewhere here. Table 1, and it contains column 1. And column 1 contains values like this, 1, 2, 2, and 3, something like this. And there is one more table 2, and the table 2 also contains one column, either column 1 or column 2, anything. One column is there. Under that column, I have the data like this. So I have the data like this: 1, 1, sorry guys, 1, 1, and 2, 4. So two tables I have, table 1 and table 2, which contains column 1 and column 1. I want to perform each join between these two tables, guys. There are multiple types of joins, right? First, I want to perform cross join between this table 1 and table 2. When I perform cross join between table 1 and table 2, how many rows you will get in the output? How many rows you will get? Output rows.
16.
You can use the chart window also. So
16.
how many rows you will get? 16 rows you will get. Correct. So when you perform cross join, so I said that in the cross join, each row from the left side table will go to the every row in the right side table, and it will give a record. For first row, when it goes to all the 4 rows, you'll get 4 records. Same way second row, same way third row, fourth row, 4 4s are 16 rows. Cross join will give 16 records, 16 rows. Tell me how many rows you will get for inner join or equi join or natural join. How many rows you will get? How many rows? Count it. How many rows you will get? Someone is telling 2 rows. How many rows? Just try it. I said
4
that
rows.
inner join will give matching records.
4
Someone
rows.
is telling 3 rows. Someone is telling 4 rows. How many rows? 4?
4 rows.
So, right,
4.
let's check it now. So, I said that someone is telling 6 rows also. Good. So, inner join will give only matching records. So, even in the inner join, first row will go to first row. So, it is matching. 1 equal to 1. You'll get 1 record. First row will go to the second row. It is matching. You'll get 1 more record. So when first row goes to first row, it is matching, you'll get 1 record. When first row goes to second row, it is matching, you'll get 1 more record. The first row, when it goes to second row, third row and fourth row, it is not matching, you don't get it. Same way, it will take second row. Second row will go to first row. Second row will go to first row, it is not matching. Second row will go to second row, it is not matching. Second row will go to third row, it is matching. You'll get 1 more record. 1 more record. And second row will go to last row, it is not matching here. So far 3 records, and this record will go now. First row will go to the first row, this third row will go to first row, second row, it is not matching there. It goes here, it is matching here. You'll get 1 more record here, 1 more record. And this row finally will go here, it is not matching. So totally you'll get 4 records, guys. When this 3 goes to all the places, it will not match anywhere. 3 is not matching anywhere. Totally how many records you will get is 4 matching records are there. When first row goes, it is matching 2 places. When second row goes, it is matching in 1 place. When third row goes, it is matching only in 1 place. So 2 plus 1, totally 4 records you will get. 4 rows you will get when you perform inner join. 4 rows. 4 rows is correct answer. When you perform left outer join, how many rows you will get? 5 rows you will get. So left outer join will give matching records, 4 rows, and non-matching record from left side table. This is the non-matching record. Only 1 non-matching record from left side table. You'll get 5 rows. And right outer join, how many rows for right outer join? 5 rows again. For right outer join also 5 rows. Right outer join will give the matching records 4 rows and non-matching record from right side table. This time this is the non-matching record from right side table, 5 rows. And full outer join will give 6 rows. 6 rows. Full outer join will give 6 rows. First matching 4 rows, non-matching from left side 1 row, non-matching from right side another row. Totally 6 rows, guys. So to perform these joins in the Power Query, it's a matter of 2 minutes. First, you need to know when you perform cross join what output you'll get. When you perform inner join, what output you'll get. When you perform left outer join, what output you'll get. We need to know. So doing this in the Power Query is a matter of 1 minute. You don't even want to write any code in the Power Query to do all this. If you want to get full outer join output, you don't want to write any code. With clicks you can get it. First of all, you need to know what full outer join will give. That's it. Let's see how to perform all these joins in the Power Query now. Let's open Power BI Desktop. Click on transform data. So let me bring some tables, click on new source, Excel. Let me bring the same EMP table and DEPT tables. Let's discuss using the same tables. Press OK. If you want, you can even bring the managers table also. Click on new source, Excel. You can bring managers table also. It will be there. Let's have it. Press OK. Now, I want to join the data in EMP DEPT tables. So I want only matching records from EMP table and DEPT table. I want a table where I want columns from EMP table and DEPT table. What output I want is only matching records I want in the output. When I want only matching records in the output, you need to perform inner join, guys. If you want to perform inner join, go to Home tab, go to Combine. There is an option, Merge Queries. When you click on Expand, you will see two options. Merge Queries as new. So already in the EMP table, I have 8 columns, guys. In the same table, in the same EMP table, what is there here? If you want to add additional columns, I want to add additional column called DNAME column. I want to add additional column called location column. Additional column called DNAME column and additional column called location column. When I want to add to the existing table itself, if you want to add additional columns, so which are from DEPT table. In DEPT table, I have DNAME column and location column. I want to bring it and I want to add it to the existing table itself. To the existing table itself, if you want to add, you need to go with merge queries, guys. Merge queries. I selected EMP table. To this EMP table, I am asking to add additional columns. So just let me do that. Go to merge queries. Click on merge queries. So I want to join EMP table with what? DEPT table. And you want to select the tables which you need to join, and you need to select matching columns. You want to join this EMP table and DEPT table based on what matching column? Department number column. So and default join type in the Power Query is, they'll ask you in the interviews, what is the default join type in the Power Query? What is the default join type in the Power Query? Left outer join. Why? Why left outer join? I said that when you go and join in the companies, majority of the cases we will perform left outer join only. Greater than 90% of the cases. That is the reason left outer join is the default join. So then it will give what? Matching records from both the tables. It will even give non-matching record from left side table. The first table is nothing but the left side table. The second table is nothing but what? Right side table here. First table is left side table. Second table is right side table. So when I press OK to the EMP table itself, it will add. So now previously you have 8 columns in the EMP table. Now you got 9 columns. Once you join the EMP table with the DEPT table, so you got additional column called DEPT. Table name you got it. You want to expand and you want to select what columns you want from DEPT table. What columns you want from DEPT table you want to expand and you want to choose it. So before I join this, let me explain what data we have in these tables. In EMP table, I have 15 employees. They are working in 4 different departments. That 15 employees are working in how many departments? 4 departments. So few employees are working in 10th department. Few employees are working in 20th department. Few employees are working in 30th department. Few other employees are working in 50th department. Same way, in the DEPT table also, I have 4 departments, 10, 20, 30 and 40. In these 2 tables, in common, I have 10, 20, 30. 10, 20 and 30 are commonly available in EMP table and DEPT table. So in DEPT table, I have one extra department called 40. This 40 department doesn't have any employees. Do you have any employees in the EMP table for 40th department? No. This is the non-matching records. And the same way, in the EMP table also, I have one record, one employee with 50th department. There is an employee with the name Sunil with 50th department. So for this Sunil, do you have any department details here? No. So there is, out of 15 employees, 14 employees have matching department name and locations here. 1 employee doesn't have it. And same way in the DEPT table also, out of 4 departments, 3 departments have employees, only 1 department doesn't have employees. So in each table I have one non-matching record. So when I go here, merge queries, when I click on merge queries, I want to join the EMP table with DEPT table, and based on a common column called department number column, join type called left outer join. Can someone tell me how many records you will get? In the EMP table I have 15 rows, and in the DEPT table I have 4 rows, and when I perform inner join, how many rows you will get is, so I'm doing left outer join, guys. Let's go with left outer join, default left outer join. Left outer join will give matching records from both the tables plus non-matching records from left side table. From the left side table, it will give non-matching records, guys. Press OK. You'll get a new column here. And so in this DEPT column itself, you will find all the columns from DEPT table. You need to expand and you need to select what columns you want. I want dname column and location column. I don't want department number column here. From DEPT table, I want dname and location column. There is an option called use original column name as prefix. When this checkbox is selected, when I press OK, when I select the checkbox as it is, when I press OK, you'll get table name dot column name, DEPT dot dname, DEPT dot location. You'll get table name dot column name. If you don't want table name dot column name, what you need to do is, when you expand it, so I want only column names. I don't want table name dot column name. Uncheck this, press OK. You'll get what? Only column name. Column name, guys. Right. So like now, previously in EMP table I have 8 columns. Now I added 2 more columns called dname and location column. To the existing table itself, if you want to add the columns, you need to go with merge queries, guys. So instead of adding to the existing table, let me remove this. I want to keep the EMP table as it is. I want to keep the DEPT table as it is. I don't want to disturb these 2 tables. Using these 2 tables, I want to create a new table with the name EMP DEPT. In the table, I want to have 10 columns totally. 8 columns from EMP, I want to have it. 2 columns from DEPT, I want to have it. In one table, I want to have 10 columns. So if you want to create a new table this time, what you need to do? You need to go with what? Merge queries as new. Merge queries as new means I'm expecting a new table in the Power Query. Click on merge queries as new. So what are the tables you need to join? EMP table with the DEPT table. And what is the common column? Department number, department number. You can go and choose the join type here. For now, I am choosing inner join. When I choose inner join, it will give only matching records between the 2 tables. When Clark record went here, it have a matching department number. You'll get Clark. When King record went here, it have a matching records. You'll get it. When Miller went here, Miller have a matching records. It will go. So almost 14 employees have matching records. 14 records you'll get. Last record, Sunil record is there. Sunil is having a department number 50. When department number 50 is going here, it will not match anywhere. When it is not matching anywhere, will you get Sunil record here? You don't get Sunil record here. So you'll get how many records? Only 15 records. Inner join will give only matching rows. So even though employee table contains 15 records, when I press OK, you get EMP. I'll rename it as EMP inner join DEPT. EMP inner join DEPT. So when I go here, how many columns you have? So you can go to the DEPT table, expand what columns you want. Dname and location column. I want dname and location column. When I press OK, in the output table, I just got 14 rows. Even though my EMP table contains 15 rows in it, but output is showing only 14 rows. So if you see the EMP table, I have employees starting from Clark to Sunil. But in the inner join output, it is showing from Clark to James only. It will not show Sunil. Go and check the result. It is showing from Clark to James only. It is not showing Sunil record. Why it is not showing Sunil record is Sunil doesn't have matching department here. I don't want the output like this. So if you have matching department, show the department name and location. 10th department employees are working in accounting and New York. 20th department employees are working in research and Dallas. 30th department employees are working in sales and Chicago. Right? 50th. So I want to even show in the output, I want to even show Sunil record, but I want to show null values here. When he doesn't have any corresponding department name and location, don't remove that employee. He's an employee who is working in our company. We need to the output, but when there is no department name and location, show us blank values. You need to perform which join? left outer join. I want to create a new table, merge queries as new. I need to join EMP table with the DEPT table based on a common column called department number column. And this time the join type I'm going to use is left outer join. I want matching records from both the tables and even non-matching records from first table or left side table. First table is nothing but left side table here. So this use fuzzy matching we'll discuss in the couple of minutes. So this is EMP left outer join DEPT. EMP left outer join DEPT. So now when you go and expand it, so you can choose what columns you want. I want dname and location column, press OK. Now if you observe here, you got all the 14 matching records first, and at the end it is showing 15th record. Sunil record is non-matching record. It is still showing Sunil record also. For Sunil record, what is the dname and location you will find? Dname and location you'll find as null values. Why? Because we don't have matching department number in the DEPT table. You'll find null values. Same way, if you want matching records from both the tables and non-matching record from right side table, you can perform right outer join. Go here, merge queries as new. I want to join EMP table with the DEPT table. I want matching records from both the tables as well as non-matching record from right side table. When I perform right outer join, this time it will give matching records from both the tables and it will give non-matching record from right side table also. This department doesn't have any employees. It will even show this. Let's press OK. We'll get a new table, EMP right outer join DEPT. Right outer join DEPT. Just go and expand the columns what you need. Let's take all the columns for now. If you look at this, first 14 records are matching records. First 14 records what you are seeing is matching records, guys. And 15th record what we are seeing is non-matching record from left side table, right side table. It is the non-matching record from right side table. All the columns which you are taking from left side table, you are having what here? Null values. So this 40th department doesn't have any employees to show the employee details. That is the reason it is showing null values. So if you want matching records and non-matching records from left side table as well as right side table, you need to go with full outer join. There is one more join. Go here, merge queries as new. I want to join EMP table with DEPT table. This time the common column is also department number. I'll go and choose full outer join. Full outer join will give matching records from both the tables as well as non-matching record from left side table as well as non-matching records from right side table also. It will show all of them. So let's press OK. Look at this EMP full outer join DEPT. If we go and see, first 14 records are matching records from both the tables and 15th record is non-matching record from left side table. Order also same, guys. Whatever the order I said, same order you'll find it. So 15th record is non-matching record from left side table. Non-matching record from left side table, right side columns you will get what? Null values. And 16th record is non-matching record from right side table. All the columns from left side table you will get what? Null values here. It is giving both the matching and non-matching records from both the tables. And there is two more joins, guys. So far in the merge queries as new, we discussed, we joined the tables based on common column. We discussed what inner join will do, what left outer join will do, what right outer join will do, what full outer join will do, we discussed. And there is two more joins called left anti and right anti. When I go and select left anti join, it will give only non-matching records from left side table. When I perform left anti, only non-matching records from left side table. What is the non-matching record from left side table you will get? When I perform left anti, which record you will get? Only non-matching record from left side table, first table. Tell me, guys. Sunil record you will get, right?
Sunil
record.
Right. Sunil record you will get it. When I press OK, so EMP left anti DEPT. So it will give only non-matching record from left side table. Only non-matching record from left side table is Sunil, guys. In the left side table, if I want to understand what is the only non-matching record I have, you can go it. Even though when I expand these columns, you'll find blank values only. Blank values only. So there is one more join called right anti. Merge queries as new. Right anti. EMP right anti. Sorry guys. EMP. I want to join EMP table with DEPT table. This time instead of left anti, I'll go with right anti. Right anti join will give only non-matching records from right side table. What is the only non-matching record from right side table you have? 40th department. EMP, right anti, DEPT. EMP, right anti, DEPT. When I go here, expand it, press OK. So you'll get what? 40 operations based on. This is the department which doesn't have any employees. So like this, these are the different join types you have. Anybody have any questions about the join types you have here? Any questions about these join types? Fine. We seen what are the different join types you have, how to perform it. So we will discuss some more things about merge queries. So how to perform cross join? Have we discussed how to perform cross join? How to? So are you seeing a join type called cross join? When you join EMP table with DEPT table, or when you join one table with another table, EMP table with DEPT table, are you finding any join type with the name cross join here? I want 15 records are there, 4 departments are there. I want 60 records totally in the output. I want all the combination of data. When I want all the combination of data from the tables, what you need to perform? Cross join. Are you having any cross join here? No. How to perform cross join between the tables we'll discuss. How to perform cross join between the tables. How to perform cross join between the tables we'll discuss. And then second thing we'll discuss about is how to join 3 tables. Now you are joining only 2 tables. I want to join the 3 tables into one table. 3 tables I want to join into one table. How to join the 3 tables into one table? How to join more than 2 tables? More than 2 tables. If you observe here, so in the merge queries, you are able to join only 2 tables here. I can select EMP table and DEPT table. When I go here, merge queries or merge queries as new, it is showing only option to join first table and second table, 2 table, 1 and 2, 2 tables. How to join more than 2 tables? We'll discuss. How to join the tables with more than one join condition. Now you are writing only one join condition, EMP dot department number equal to DEPT dot department number. Sometimes you need to write multiple join conditions also. How to join the tables? How to join the tables more than 2 join conditions? More than 2 join or more than 1 join condition. So more than 1 join condition. So join condition means, so you are writing here, right? So department EMP dot department number equal DEPT dot department number. This is only one condition you are writing it. If I want to write multiple join conditions, how to join the tables? Using more than one join condition. Using more than one join condition. I want to discuss. And the next one we will discuss is, when you join the tables, you'll see an option called use fuzzy match. What is this use fuzzy matching? What we will do with this use fuzzy matching we will discuss. Use fuzzy matching to perform the merge. So what is use fuzzy matching? Use fuzzy matching. When to use it? I'll discuss. And lastly, we'll discuss about what is self join, how to perform self join. So you have in the joins, when I list the different types of joins, we mention one join type called self join. What is self join? How to perform the self join? We'll discuss. Lastly, we'll discuss what is self join, how to perform the self join. We'll discuss. All these are related to merge queries only. All these are related to merge queries only, right? So I'll stop here. So I'll discuss them in tomorrow's class. So tomorrow completely 1 hour, I'll discuss about these 5 points, 5 points one by one, so that by tomorrow's class, we'll complete the merge queries. And then once after completing the merge queries, we can discuss append queries. So there is another topic in the same combined queries, append queries. Someone unmuted? Yes, please tell me. Any questions? We have time. If you have any questions, you can go. Fine. If there is no questions, we'll stop here. So I'll copy the complete notes.
Sunil, do we use this merge queries option for combining the tables in data modeling? Like in Power Pivot you said, right, for Snowflake we will convert into star schema. For
That
that
we
we
will
are
do
good.
it in Power Query only. If you want to convert Snowflake to star, you need to open the two tables in the Power Query. You need to join the two tables into one table.
Okay.
Joins you need to perform in Power Query only.
Okay, so that means here only we have to do, right?
Right.
Okay.
Merge queries class 2. I saved it as merge queries class 2. Class 2. I'll publish it. Click on publish. 9 a.m. February 2021 Power BI files. I'm publishing there. Please download it from there. Fine. I'll stop here for today. Tomorrow we'll discuss about this. We'll meet tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you.